Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is square root of 4 plus square root of 15 to the power of x plus square root of 4 minus square root of 15 to the power of x is equal to 8 to find the values of x. In the first step, we let 4 plus square root of 15 is equal to a, and 4 plus square root of 4 minus square root of 15 is equal to b. This is a and this is b. And we multiply b times a times b. So a times b is equal to 4 plus square root of 15 times 4 minus square root of 15. And in here, this is in the form of a minus b times a plus b. And this is equal to a square minus b square. A square minus b square. So in here, a times b is equal to 4 square, it will be 16, and times 15 square, negative 15 square. 15 square is, square root of 15 square is 15, and this is equal to 1. So a times b, we write in here, a times b is equal to 1, and we can write this b is equal to 1 over a. So b is 4 minus square root of 15. So in here, 4 minus square root of 15 is equal to 1 over a. 1 over a is 4 plus square root of 15. 4 plus square root of 15. So we find this equation and we can write in this our equation. So we write our problem was 4 plus square root of 15 square root of 4 plus square root of 15 to the power of x plus square root of 4 minus square root of 15 to the power of x is equal to 8. And in here, 4 minus square root of 15 is equal to 1 over 4 plus square root of 15. So we can write this as, in here, square root of 4 plus square root of 15 to the power of x plus the square root of, we can write 4 minus square root of 15 as 1 over 4 plus square root of 15. 1 over 4 plus square root of 15 to the power of x is equal to 8. And in here, it will be square root of 4 plus square root of 15 to the power of x plus, and we can write this as 1 over square root of 4 plus square root of 15 to the power of x. Because 1 to the power of x also is 1, so we write 1 over this is equal to 8. And in here, this and this are common, so let u is equal to square root of 4 plus square root of 15 to the power of x. And we substitute this u in this equation. So it will be in here, this is u plus this is 1 over u. 1 over u is equal to 8. In the next step, we multiply both sides of this equation by u. So it will be u times u is u square, and in here 1 over u times u is also 1, and 8 times u is 8u, and we take to this side, so it will be negative 8u is equal to 0. In here we have a quadratic equation, and to find the value of u we use quadratic formula, which is u is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And from here a is equal to coefficient of u square is 1, and b is coefficient of u is negative 8, and c is constant, is 1. And u is equal to negative b, negative 8 is positive 8, plus or minus square root of b square is 64, minus 4ac. a times c is 1, and times 4 is 4, over 2 times 1. So in here u is equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 16 over 2. And square root of 16, I write here, square root of 60 is equal to square root of 4 times 15, and this is equal to 2. This is square root of 4 times square root of 15. So square root of 60 is equal to 2 times square root of 15. So we write in here u is equal to 8 plus or minus 2 times square root of 15 over 2. And from here u is equal to 8 plus 2 square root of 15 over 2, and 8 over 2 is 4, and plus 2 over 2 is 1, so it will be a square root of 15, and u is 4 minus square root of 15. So from here 4 minus square root of 15 is equal to 1 over 4 plus square root of 15. So we write this 4 minus square root of 15 is equal to 1 over 4 plus square root of 15. Okay? So we find two value for u. And in here we let u is equal to square root of 4 plus square root of 15 to the power of x. So we write in here u is equal to square root of 4 plus square root of 15 to the power of x. And in here u is 4 plus square root of 15. So we substitute in here 4 plus square root of 15 is equal to this bracket square root of 4 plus square root of 15 to the power of x. And in here also this is a power of 1. Okay? And we can write this power of 1 as 2 over 2. So we write in here 4 plus square root of 15 to the power of 2 over 2. This is also 1 is equal to 4 plus square root of 15 to the power of x. Okay? And we can write this 2 over 2, we write in here 4 plus square root of 15 to the power of 2 over 2. We can write this as 2 times 1 over 2. And this 1 over 2 also is equal, we can write this as a square root, this 1 over 2, and write this 4 plus square root of 15 to the power of this 2 in here. So we can write this 4 plus square root of 15 to the power of 2 over 2 like this. So it will be 4 plus square root of 15, this square root to the power of 2. And this is equal to the square root of 4 plus square root of 15 to the power of x. And by comparing both sides of this equation, this and this are equal, so this power should be equal to this power, and in here x is equal to. This is the answer for u is equal to 4 plus square root of 15. And other solution for u is 1 over 4 plus square root of 15. So we write u is equal 1 over 4 plus square root of 15. And u is, from here, square root of 4 plus square root of 15 to the power of x. So this is also equal to square root of 4 plus square root of 15 to the power of x. Okay? And this 1 over 4 plus square root of 15, we write in here 1 over 4 plus square root of 15 is equal to 4 plus square root of 15 to the power of negative 1. Okay? And from here, we find that 4 plus square root of 15 also to the power of 1, and from this way is equal to square root of 4 plus square root of 15 to the power of 2. So we write this as square root of 4 plus square root of 15 to the power of 2, and to the power of this negative 1, so this negative 1 will multiply by this 2, it will be negative 2. And this is also equal to this. So we write square root of 4 plus square root of 15 to the power of x. And in here, by comparing both sides of this equation, this is equal to this, and these powers should be equal. So x is equal to negative 2. And x is negative 2, and from here, x is 2, right here, x is equal to, or our final answer for x. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.